So we want to first receive our machine, make sure we've got a calibration sample with the machine. We want to make sure we have our hopper, and if we do have a temperature probe, that's best. If not, we'll have to go with using room temperature. We want to turn on the machine, and we want to hold down Cal Auto for 3 seconds. The word Cal will show up on the screen, where we then want to go ahead and press 226 as the password and go ahead and press P. We then want to go ahead and hold down Cal Auto again for about 3 seconds until we see HCal. We then want to go ahead and hold down average for 3 seconds until we get a upside down C with a number 1. We then want to take our hopper, place it on top of the cell, take our fresh calibration sample. We want to ensure that every grain that's in the bag is out, and we want to release the sample. We then want to go ahead and use the capacitance value and input it into the machine. So we go 2, in this case where it's 9, we'll go ahead and press 7, and then 2 up, and then 1 down, and it will read 290. And we'll go ahead and press kgHL, which will make it 29.0. At this stage, we want to take our temperature probe, and we want to get an accurate reading of the sample. So we'll leave the temperature probe in there for about 30 seconds. Perfect, so the temperature is settled at around 23.7. So we'll go ahead and input those values into the machine by pressing 237 and pressing temperature, and that will turn to 23.7. At this stage, we've run through the full calibration side of things, and so we want to make sure that the machine knows where we're at. So we'll go ahead and hold down H2O for 3 seconds until we get an upside down C and a number 2. At this stage, we've completed calibration. We'll go ahead and turn off the machine, turn the machine back on, press 0 and H2O, which should give us a reading of 29, which matches the capacitance value of the sample bag. We then want to go ahead and press 0 again and kgHL, which should give us 64.5, which is 180 grams. We then want to go ahead and press 0 again, temperature. It comes to 23.7, which was the settled value when we checked the grain. We then want to go ahead and press 1 for wheat and H2O, which gives us the moisture level that's on the bag, which is 13.4. So your calibration is done and the machine is ready to use as normal.